People often ask, Flux, just what is going on in your head? Well, often it's thoughts of speakers. And recently my head thought, let's put speakers in more heads. Like this, 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 and this. I scoured the internet for a suitable candidate and found the perfect subject, this 1969 wood sculpture by artist Myrna M. Nobile. It was being sold with a matching aluminum head that I didn't really need, unfortunately, and that really drove up the price. I wanted that wood head though, so I bit the bullet. And the aluminum head turned out to make a beautiful but overpriced stand for my beautiful but overpriced headphones. And the wood head looked promising. I even got this cool certificate of authenticity. Yeah, the three of us are certifiably, authentically dumb. To make the wood head a little less dumb, we're going to give it a voice and a brain. The 2-inch speaker will connect to one channel of the stereo amp and be our head's mouth, and the 2 3/4-inch speakers will connect to the other channel and be the eyes. No crossover or protection will be necessary as all drivers are full range. A quick bench test confirmed that the setup works well. The tiny amp boasts an output of 32 watts per channel with a 19-volt power supply. What do you think? Is that possible? Okay, let's see what kind of power output we can get out of our little amp. 19 volts is the maximum they recommend, and we can see we're getting a nice clean waveform, and we're below 0.1% THD. And our output power is 11.2 volts, and that's about 15.5 watts. Not too bad, really. I'm pretty impressed with this little amp, gotta say. So the amp puts out 15 watts per channel, not 32. A bit of a poke in the eye, but our project needs that much power like it needs a hole in its head. Well, actually, it needs 6 holes. To keep our patient from squirming while we perform the surgery, let's build a head restraint. No, not like that. More like this. There's no escaping it now. Time to bore some holes. Our head seems surprised about what's going to happen next. Just a little dermabrasion to remove those unsightly wrinkles. Now for some plastic surgery. Our head looks pretty outraged for some reason. Maybe a bright new coat of skin will brighten its mood. Don't worry, head. We're not finished with you. Here's your mouth and eyes. A bit of a gap here. This O-ring should do the trick. Perfect. Let's mark it and drill some holes. The eyes get rubber rings too. This will fill in the gaps and give them an eyeshadow-like pop. But what are beautiful, creepy eyes without a beautiful, creepy body? This cremation urn will do nicely. Let's tap into our inner Frankenstein and attach the parts. A hole for the power supply jack. Hot glue it in place. You know, sometimes people claim my brains aren't in my head, but in another part of my body, which will go unmentioned. The same is true for Radiohead. And yes, I've now given our head a name. Our amp has a Bluetooth radio after all. It'll mount in the urn's bottom panel. Let's wire Radiohead now. It almost looks like nerves and veins. Surgery was a success. Let's stitch things up and give Radiohead a spin. Wow, it's the stuff of nightmares. But does it sound good too? Take a listen to an actual recording of its terrifying screams, and you tell me in the comments. Enjoy. Looking for a shiny new gadget for your bench? Some good books on electronics, vintage hi-fi, or old radios? Indispensable tools, cleaners, or other products? Check out my new Amazon shop and help the channel. Lots of great products I actually own, use, and recommend, plus my thoughts on each one. Link in the description. To stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications when I release new videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.